When analyzing research data, many students struggle to decide whether to use a t-test or ANOVA. The good news is that the difference is actually quite simple. A t-test is used when you want to compare the means of two groups only. For example, if you're studying whether male and female students have different average exam scores, a t-test helps determine whether the difference is statistically significant or simply due to chance. However, what if you have 3 or more groups to compare? Imagine comparing exam scores among undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral students. Running multiple t-tests would increase the risk of errors. This is where ANOVA, or analysis of variance, becomes useful. ANOVA allows you to compare several groups simultaneously and determine whether at least one group differs significantly from the others. Think of it this way: 2 groups, use a t-test. 3 or more groups, use ANOVA. Both techniques help researchers make evidence-based conclusions and strengthen the credibility of their thesis or dissertation findings. Choosing the correct statistical test not only improves the quality of your research, but also ensures that your results are scientifically valid. Before selecting a test, always consider your research question, the number of groups being compared, and the nature of your data. A small statistical decision can make a significant difference to the strength of your research.